Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, I showed you how to create database. Today I'm going to show you how to create table with columns. But first, we need to discuss what is table and what is column. Tables are database objects that contain all the data in a database. In tables, data is logically organized in a row and column format similar to a spreadsheet. Each row represents a unique record and each column represents a field in the record. A column is a set of data values of a particular type, one value for each row of the database. A column may contain text, values, numbers, or even pointers to files in the operating system. So now I'm going to show you how to create table with columns. So first, we're going to use the use statement. Use, then the database name Tuesday, then execute, then type create table name student info, add a set of parentheses, semicolon at the end. Within the set of parentheses, we will list the columns, student ID, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, address, and phone number. After listing the column, we need to set the data type of what we're storing within each column exactly. Execute. After that, hit the refresh button, go to your database and click the table and find your name student info, right click and tap the to edit top 200 rows. And we already have a table in column in our database. I hope you learned a lot in this video. If so, hit the subscribe button for more exciting learning experience like this. Goodbye!